Wish we could break free. I'd run to you. We start brand new. Right now we're happy. Don't come as easy as it used to. As it used to. Cold nights and they're getting colder. Bad news always getting old, yeah. Dreaming of some kind of closure. Nothing's harder than not knowing. Starting fights cause you can't control it. Living like we're both blindfolded. Can't say much but I'll say this. Hold on tight to me. Don't say goodnight to me. I know the world is changing on us. Hold on tight to me. We'll be alright if we don't give up. It won't be long, so hold on tight. Baby, don't we? Baby, don't we? Been thinking lately, wish we could break free. I'd run